So Blue gave birth to puppies. How many? They were like 6, but one died. So today we had them making a lot of noise, and then Blue was coming towards me, and she was tapping her leg down. I didn't know where the problem was. Only later to discover that the puppies had been attacked by ants. How do we call siafu? I'll include the siafi. So these are the siafu here. These insects. So we had to go and evacuate the puppies and put them inside this bucket or this plastic, and then now we even remove the ants from the puppies. They were almost dying. We didn't know. They were just making noise, but we did not know where the problem was. So luckily we rescued them, and they are now healthy. They are now okay. So you remember in my last video I shared that Blue, I didn't want it to give birth to puppies, so I called a veterinary who neutered her, but it wasn't successful. So I was so surprised to see her pregnant. So now she has puppies, 5 puppies now. And today morning they were attacked. During the rainy seasons, we normally have problems with these siafu or these ants. Safari, I don't know, it's safari ants. So it's a problem. So at least now we've settled the problem. We solved the problem. We removed the safari ants from the puppies, and now they are okay. And even Blue is happy now because she was running towards us. And then she was tapping her legs down. Little did we know that she was trying to alert us that something was in a mess with the babies or with the puppies. So now they are okay. So which means she had 7 puppies. Hey, so many. Yeah. So yeah, they are now circling. From the mom. So this mouse loves dogs like me. That is why he's taking care of them passionately. They were so much in a mess. I wish I could have recorded, but we didn't have time to record because we had only time to save. Sindio? So these ants, so that I show them. And they were even those big ones. And if I'm not careful, they'll eat me up. So now the puppies are okay, and we are going to transfer them to a better place, a safer place. Hey, it's called nature. So let's say if we could have gone to maybe to some far place today in the morning, we couldn't find them in the evening. Already one is dead, one died, but we threw it away. You see this? Oh, so there were so many, and the big ones, some had even stuck there. So now Blue is happy. Blue is a happy mother. She was really alerting us. So that's why they say dogs and men are close friends. There's one here. So Blue needs to be washed. So Blue, what do you have to say? Blue mama. Now Blue has 6 kids, 6 babies. I swear this is the last time I'm going to allow it to give birth. I look for another veterinary to neuter her again so that she won't give birth again. I want her to concentrate on, hey, we still have this one. I want her to concentrate on taking care of herself and even offering security. So I also have some other dogs. So here this is Spotty, because he has a spot on the right ear, so it's called Spotty. And this one is called Maxima. This one is called Maxima or Maxi or Maxima, and this one is Spot. Hope they've not been attacked by the there's a problem here. You see all these are the safari ants. I don't know how they call them, but the ants. So I love to release them from here so that they won't be eaten. Spot, do you have a problem? Spot, Maxima. So Blue is warning Maxi not to get close to her babies. Not to try. Don't try. And Maxi is itching himself. Spotty, this is Spot. Let me look, Baba. Let me look at it. Let me see. What is the problem? Ah, it's a safari ant. Okay, it's off. I've removed it. Spotty. Ants all over. So this is where I'm still weeding. So they're suckling. So actually, this is not Blue's puppy, but when I bought it and brought it here, the puppy was so trying to be very friendly with Blue, And eventually Blue took her in as her daughter. So that's why she still runs to Blue, but Blue doesn't want her stories because she now has her own puppies. You're now okay. After being attacked by these safari ants. Blue. Spotty, Spot, Spot, Spot.